If you need to request a refund for a Google Drive purchase, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the refund request efficiently. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating a refund, confirm that your purchase is eligible for a refund. Google typically allows refunds for subscriptions cancelled within a specific time frame, usually within 30 days of the purchase. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your Google account associated with the Google Drive subscription. Make sure you are using the correct account to avoid any issues during the refund process. Step 3. Access Google Play Store. Navigate to the Google Play Store on your device or visit the Google Play website. Click on the menu icon and select Account to find your purchase history. Step 4. Locate your purchase. In your purchase history, find the Google Drive subscription or item you wish to refund. Click on it to view the details and look for the option to request a refund. Step 5. Submit the refund requests. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. Provide any necessary information and reason for the refund. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your request. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates on your refund status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.